In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Monday.com desktop app on your PC so you can access your workspace without opening a browser every time. It's a quick and simple process, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and type Monday.com desktop app into the search bar. From the results, click on the official Monday.com support page. This is the safest place to download the app. Once you're on the page, look for the section dedicated to desktop apps. You'll see options for both Windows and Mac. Since we're focusing on PC, go ahead and click the Windows download option. This will start downloading the setup file, usually a .dopexe file. If your browser asks you to confirm the download, just click Save or Download to proceed. When the download is complete, open the file. You can do this from your browser's download bar or from your downloads folder on your computer. This will launch the installer. Now simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. You may be asked whether you want the app installed just for your user account or for all users on the PC. Choose whichever works best for you. Once installation finishes, click the Finish button and the Monday.com app will launch automatically. You'll be taken straight to the login page where you can sign in with your existing Monday.com account. From now on, you can access Monday.com directly from your desktop. Fast, easy, and distraction-free. And that's it. You've successfully installed Monday.com on your PC. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.